So what's up, guys? As you guys can see, TP was smashed. But let me show you guys something. As you can see on this trade, I came out around here. I came out around this top here. It was about to hit TP, and I was like, nah, let me just get out. And I came out around this top. So yeah, I'm fine with coming out around this top because if you see what price did, price stand down again, came back to the entry. I guess Price wanted to use this area that was created, this area here, that demand area, or it did a little bit of manipulation, came down and spiked up back. I'm happy that I took my profits here because this would have really messed up my psychology based on the fact that it is out of New York session, and you know most of the time one thing I notice about my trade is that my trades are going right. Once it gets out of the New York session and it starts going against me, I mostly hit SL most of the time. So I would have probably like closed at a very low price. So I'm happy that I closed around there. So it was like almost a one to almost $50. So like $47, $48 thereabout. Like I closed that, which is very, very decent. So yeah, tomorrow we'll be coming for another trade on the probably gold, because see what gold is doing. We can see here. Let's go to the 1 hour. See on the 1 hour. Let's do this session based indicator. Let's remove this. Okay. So you see on the 1 hour, so gold is doing. Gold is bouncing off of this area already. Very. So guys, gold is already bouncing off of this area that I created here. If you can see, there's an area here. This 1 hour area was created. So yeah, this 1 hour area was created and gold is already bouncing off of it. See, this place has been used. This has been used. You see, bounced off of this place, came up, bounced off of this one, came up. Now it's going to bounce off of this one to go to the upside. So we're looking for buys tomorrow. It might happen in London session, but I just hope I'll be able to catch something in the New York session. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So guys, as you can see, the move I anticipated yesterday night has happened in London session, but I don't trade London session, so I wasn't here to catch it. You see, I told you that the consolidation was happening here and it was going to bounce off of this 1 hour, demand here. So it bounced off of it and went to the upside for London session. So New York session, we just have to look for another entry on New York session. And what I'm seeing on New York session, I think price is just going to come back to this place, this area here. Going to come back to this area to give us a bullish move. But if it doesn't come to this area, it's going to come to this true area of demand here. So there are two demands here, and it becomes sketchy when there are two demands. But like, this is the high probability trade, this down one, and this is a low probability trade, but it can happen from here. So guys, CPI is in some minutes time, so my program doesn't allow news trading, like news trading during the news. So but you can place a trade before the news and you can close like 4 minutes after the news. So I just placed this sell position on USD card, trying to outsmart them. Place this sell, then you see how small the stop loss is. It's like a 4 pip stop loss, and it's already going in my direction. So I'm just looking to get like 1% off of this. And if this gives us enough space to enter again even before the news, maybe like 6 minutes or 7 minutes before the news, I'll enter again and I'll put the stop loss at BE. So yeah, they will not be losing anything again. So yeah, that's how to outsmart the news. So guys, this is probably going to be the last time I trade news on this prop firm, because the loss I was supposed to have on this news was supposed to be like $9 in total, like $9, but I don't know how they like stretched it to the extent that the loss became like first loss was like 20 something, $21, and the second loss was like $12 because I stacked two positions. So like total loss was supposed to be like $9, guys, like $9, and now I'm having like 30 something dollar loss. That's not good at all. That is not good at all. At all. So like this is the last time I'm going to trade news ever on this profile. If I have a personal account, I can trade news, but this, they are manipulating this too much. It's almost as if they don't want you to trade news at all. So guys, what I did now is not advisable actually. It's not very advisable, but I was able to get the account back to 5,000. You can see. I was able to get the account back to 5,000. I stacked some trade on these sales that is happening right now, and I was able to get it all back to 5,000. So yeah, we're still going to be trading today. Let's freaking go, man. Let's go. What's up, guys? Yeah, I'm seeing on that trade setup on gold. As you can see, I'm seeing a sell. It's very weird that gold gave us a sell signal today. I thought it was just going to continue buying, but no, we still see sales because there's a lot of demand zone that hasn't been touched yet. A lot of demand zone, guys. So now we're just waiting for this to get to our target, either here or here. I think I'll be putting it here, but if it passes this place, I'll just take the entry from here because I want to leverage the most out of it. I want to be able to use smaller stop loss and bigger risk to reward. So yeah, that's basically what we're looking at today. Let's go. So guys, the way this trade is, I might be risking like 1.5% on this trade, and this is the reason why. I have a zone marked out here. If price hits this place and just continue tanking down, I'll leave it. But if it hits this place and comes to this place and hit this place, I'll take an entry for this place too. So that's going to be half. So I'm going to take the same lot here, but it's just giving the half stop loss. It's going to give us like 5% loss here in this place. So that's just the thing. If it happens like that, that's what I'm going to be doing. So guys, I just placed the sell limits. Let me show you guys. I just placed the sell limits. This is the sell limits here. So yeah, I'm about to get tapped. So let's see what happens. So guys, I need to tell you the issue about my strategy. One thing about my strategy is that sometimes the entries are so sniper that it won't touch the entry. As you can see, like sometimes it's so sniper that it will just miss it by a few pips. It won't touch it before it start pulling back. But sometimes, like I've literally missed entries by a hair. I just feel hair. So this is the issue about my strategy. Like sometimes it's so sniper that sometimes it won't touch it. It won't tap it. It's just start tanking down. But I think it's going to touch it as it's moving now. So once it touches it, let's see what the market does for me. What's up, guys? I really messed up on the account today. Really messed up. So basically, I told you guys I was going to risk 1.5%, but the percentage was more, which was like 100%, which was like 2% in total. Then I placed another trade again, which gave another like minus 60. So in total today I lost like 160, 170 thereabouts, and daily drawdown is like 4%. So you guys, what I'm going to do tomorrow is look for a good setup. Just risk the entire account honestly, because at this point I don't think I should be dragging this back and forth. I just try to risk everything tomorrow, honestly. Trading profit is not really easy, honestly, but all I just want to do is get capital out of it and start trading with that. Because I feel like if I'm trading with personal capital, I'll do better than trading with profit. But trading with profit is also good to get capital. So it forces you to manage your risk. It forces you not to be impulsive. So I was impulsive today. I had too much confidence. And yeah, that's one thing about so much confidence. Come back to bite you at the back. So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, I didn't know this how this video went, but what can we say? Tomorrow I'm going to be going all in. I'll just look for a very good setup. I'll go all in. Whatever happens, happens. Yeah. Okay, guys. I took this trade New York session. This Thursday, by the way. I took this trade and we missed the entry by a hair. As you can see, the thing is not moving. We missed the entry by a hair, and yeah, I don't know if it's still going to come back there, or I'm still going to leave that sell limit because we're still in New York session. So if there's any way that this enters back, then fine, but if it doesn't, I'll just remove it. Then that means we didn't trade Wednesday and we didn't trade Thursday, so Friday is the day that we'll probably look for that setup. But as you can see, this setup is already moving. We missed the trade by here, and by the way, I'm risking like 1%. If this trade had hit, I would have been at 1-1 already, but it didn't hit. But that's just how life is. But now we just wait. If the trade goes back, fine. If it doesn't go back, then we'll come back tomorrow to trade. I'm risking 1%. So yeah. So guys, as you can see, the trade is already moving.
I should get some sleep.
And it's so sad that we didn't get tapped in. So I'm going to be taking on that entry from there, from this high of day, previous high of day side. So I'll be looking to take on that entry from there. Hopefully price comes back there and taps us in this time. Guys, if we're talking about the greatest mess up of all times, this is what we're talking about. This trade would have brought us out of drawdown, guys. See, this trade didn't meet. I don't understand how safe, like, had to be like spread, because I think if there was enough spread, they should have tapped me in or something, because I don't understand, man. Straight gave us a clean 1-4 to that brought us out of drawdown and into profit of $200, 4% up. I guess we go again. So guys, see how the trade went. That trade I didn't tap us in. See guys, sell the distribution to the downside, all from the points where I said it was going to sell from. But it's all good. We'll look for another trade today, and hopefully we catch a good trade. So what's up, guys? I just took this trade. I just took this sell limit on USD card. It has not been triggered yet, but let's see what happens. So guys, the trade is leaving me. As you can see what happened. You see that the spread didn't tap me in, but the thing actually tapped my entry, but the spread didn't tap me in. Yes, I'm really facing a lot of challenge in this prop firm, guys. I don't know. It's really stressing me out, honestly, but I mean, we'll pull through. So guys, this trade has been missed again. You guys can see.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
I just missed this one again. Like, I'm just tired. Like, I don't know. I think I'll start setting my this in a bit above, because spreads are always making my trade not activate. So guys, I'm going in for this 1 minute scalp on gold, because I see where the price is going to, but I just need an entry. So I've already placed an entry on gold, waiting for it to tap in and just continue to rally down to this target. Yo guys, that gold setup that I showed before, I've already cleared it. It didn't go back and tap it, so I left it. I removed it. I'm seeing another setup on USD card forming up for a sell. So once this low is broken, I'll take the sell, and I'll show you guys once I take the sell. So guys, I'll be cancelling this trade because it's only looking valid on the 5 minutes. It's not looking valid on the 15 minutes and any other time frame. That's why I'll be cancelling this trade, because any manipulation can happen. So we'll look for a setup. A setup is already showing on gold, but let's just see what happens. Today is Friday, so I want to catch a trade honestly, but if I can't, I'll just wait till tomorrow.
All we got here, and we can mark this right here. H4.
So guys, it happened again. Basically, I slept off, like I placed a sell position up of this place. And as you can see, it's been tapped seen by a peep.
Oh, chim. Damn.
And it has already gone to TP2, so I don't even know what to do. But yeah, I'll look for another entry off of this place because it has created another area of supply. So we'll see if we can enter from there. What's up guys? How you guys doing? How's everything? Then guys, we missed that trade and I decided to take a trade during London session, and that trade also hit itself, which means we're left with like $18 in the account. That's the only thing leaving us in profit. So now I'm stuck with an idea now. There's a bunch of news happening tomorrow, which is Wednesday, and today the New York session has not happened, but the market is barely moving. So I'm thinking, instead of trading today, I'll just trade the news tomorrow. I look for very high bat news because they were like stacked up around 224. They stacked up, and I was like, I'll just look for a bunch of high impact news and take them. That would be way better. So, and if I can do my analysis well and get the direction of the market, we could make bags tomorrow. So that was basically what I was thinking, and I was like, it's $18 left, but doesn't mean I can't risk 1%, or it doesn't mean I can't risk 2%. In fact, I'm going to be risking like 4% on whatever trade I'm going to be taking tomorrow on the news. So I'm just looking at how I'm going to do it, and I think I should wait tomorrow when the market has a lot of volume. So yeah, let's see what happens. Can we save this account? Is it possible to save this account? I don't know. Yes, fingers crossed. Let's see if we can save this account. Because, and the thing is, if I'm going to save this account, guys, I'm going to save it and pass it at the same time. I'm going to make sure that whatever lot size I'm using can save it and pass it at the same time. So let's see guys, let's see what happens. Peace.